Feeling a flutter of anticipation about your diversity visa or DV 2025 results? Wondering how to decipher and delve into the details of your status? Well, you're in the right place. This video will guide you through the process, breaking down each step into easily digestible nuggets of information. First, we begin with the essentials. You will need your confirmation number, which is a unique 16-character code you received when you submitted your DV entry. Keep this number safe, as it's your key to unlock the door to your results. Next, head over to the official US Department of State's Bureau of Consular Affairs website. This is the only legitimate place to check your DV results. Beware of scams and unofficial sites trying to lure you with promises of early results or guaranteed wins. Once on the website, navigate to the Check Status section. This is where you'll need your confirmation number. Enter your unique 16-character code into the designated field. Ensure that every character is entered correctly. A single mistake may prevent you from accessing your results. After entering your confirmation number, you'll be prompted to input your last name and year of birth. These should match exactly what you provided during your DV application. Any discrepancies could lead to difficulties in accessing your result. Now cross your fingers and click on the Submit button. This will generate your DV 2025 result. Your result will be displayed on the screen. It will either confirm that you've been selected, tell you that you've not been selected, or indicate that your result is not yet available. If you've been selected, congratulations are in order. If not, don't lose hope. There's always next year. If your result isn't available yet, simply check back at a later date. To quickly recap, here are the steps to check your DV 2025 results. 1. Gather your confirmation number. 1. Visit the official US Department of State's Bureau of Consular Affairs website. 1. Navigate to the Check Status section. 1. Enter your confirmation number, last name and year of birth. 1. Click Submit to view your result. Remember, patience is key in this process. The DV results are released in batches, so your result may not be available immediately after the official release date. Keep checking back if this is the case. This is a journey filled with anticipation and perhaps a bit of anxiety, but hopefully, this guide has made the path a little clearer. Good luck, and may the odds be in your favor.